Hi there, and thank you for tuning into my channel. I am really just here to help you guys with any math concept that you need help with. So please feel free to comment down below what math concepts you need help, and I would be happy to make a video just for you. Today, we're just going to talk about how to go from improper fractions to mixed numbers, and then from mixed numbers back to improper fractions. So let's start off with 27ths. So this is just kind of hard to understand what this means exactly. 27ths. Well, 7/7 would equal 1 whole, okay? 7/7 equals 1. So how many 7/7 do we have inside of 27ths? Well, to make another whole, we would need another 7/7, which would be 14/7. That would give us 2 wholes, okay? What about 3? 7/7 plus another 7/7 plus another 7/7 would give us 21/7, which would be 3. Well, in this number, we don't quite have 3 wholes. We only have 27ths, not 21. So we are able to make 2 wholes, and then we are gonna have some 7ths left over. So if 14/7 make 2 wholes, and we have 20, we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 6/7 left over. So this is going to be written like this, 2 and 6/7. So we know we almost have 3, but not quite. That is our mixed number. We call it a mixed number because it's made up of whole numbers and fractions. It's mixed. Let's do another one. We are going to have 15/12. So if we get this as an answer, how can we write that as a mixed number? Well, just like the last problem, 12/12 would equal 1 whole. Another set of 12/12, or 24/12, would equal 2 wholes. We don't exactly have that much. We only have 15. So we're able to make our 1 whole, which is 12/12, and then we're gonna have some left over. So I'm gonna take my 12/12, and then I'm gonna count up to 15 to see how many 12s we have left over. 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 3 12s left over. So your teacher might also want you to reduce this fraction because there is a number that goes into 3 and 12 evenly, and that number is 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So the best mixed number is going to be 1 and 1/4. So this number represents a number just a little bit bigger than 1 and 1/4. Here we have 22/3. Now keep in mind, 3/3 would equal 1 whole. So how many times are we gonna have 3/3 in 22/3? I am just gonna count by 3s until I get to a number that's bigger than 22, and then I'm gonna know that's too many. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I know if I go any more than that, it's gonna give me a number bigger than 22 because I'm counting by 3s. So I'm gonna have 7 wholes, because that is how many times 3 goes into 22. And 7 times 3 is 21, and I have 22. So I'm gonna have 1/3 left over. 7 1/3. This number, 22/3, is very, very close to the number 7. Okay, hopefully that kind of helps you think about what you're doing when you're going from an improper fraction to a mixed number, a number with both whole numbers and fractions. Now we're gonna go the other way. We're gonna pretend you have a mixed number and you wanna get back to a fraction. Now, why on earth would you ever wanna do that? Well, let's pretend you have a mixed number and you're multiplying it or dividing it by another mixed number. Well, it's really, really difficult to multiply and divide with mixed numbers. Normally, you would want to change this back to this. Okay, so there's all kinds of reasons why you would want to change mixed numbers back, and I'm just going to show you how to do that, okay? Okay, let's pretend we have 1 2/5. And we want to write this as an improper fraction. Well, one way to look at this is this whole number 1 is equal to 5/5, 1 whole. And then we also have this 2/5 here. So we could ask ourselves, how many fifths would we have total? And we would have 5/5 plus 2/5, which would give us 7/5. I'm gonna do one more example like this, and then I'm gonna show you kind of a shortcut, okay? Let's pretend we have 3 4/9. Well, this number 3 represents 9/9, 1 whole, another 9/9, 2 wholes, and another 9/9, 3 wholes. So essentially we have 9/9 plus another 9/9 plus another 9/9 to represent those 3 wholes, plus we have this 4/9 here. Okay, so 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27, plus 4 is going to give us 31/9. And that is how you would write it as an improper fraction. Okay, I'm going to teach you just a little shortcut that I learned when I was younger. So you take this number 9 and you multiply it by 3, because look, there's 3 of them. 9 times 3 is 27, and then we add this 4 in. That would also give us 31/9. So it's kind of a shortcut. This number times this number, and you can see that represented below, plus this number right here would give us our answer, 31/9. I'm gonna do the next problem the shortcut way so you can really see how it's done. Here we have 8 2/3. Okay, so instead of writing the whole thing out, I'm gonna go 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26, and I will get 26/3. Pretty simple, huh? Let's do one last example. Let's do 6 4/5. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 plus 4 is 34. So I'm gonna have 34/5. And that is how you turn a mixed number into an improper fraction. I hope this helps you guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I promise I'm here for you. So just comment down below anything else you need help with, and I promise I will make a video on that just for you. Bye!